Hi students, this is Kiran Kumar, Maths faculty. Today I am going to teach you how to draw the graphs for different types of functions. In that, let me start with the lines. So how to draw the different line graphs. First of all, y is equal to x. Let us take real x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. And all the points on the xy axis. This point is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. Positive 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till positive infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, minus infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, minus infinity. So this is x-axis and y-axis. Here y is equal to x is a straight line where we have to trace the points. See, if I substitute x equal to 0 inside this, if x is 0, what could be the y value? Y is equal to 0. So the point is 0 comma 0. This is the point 0 comma 0. Next, if I substitute x value as 1, x equal to 1, then what could be the y value? Y value is also 1. So the point is 1 comma 1. So on x-axis 1 unit, on y-axis 1 unit, this is the point 1 comma 1. Similarly, if I substitute the point 2 here, x value 2, then y value is also 2. So 2 comma 2 is the point. So this is 2 on x-axis, 2 on y-axis. So this is 2 comma 2. Similarly, substitute 3, then y is also 3. So that's why it is 3 comma 3 and so on. Similarly, minus 1, x equal to minus 1, y is also minus 1. So minus 1 comma minus 1 is a point. Similarly, minus 2 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma minus 3 and so on. If we join all these points, it will form a straight line. So this is the graph for y is equal to x. So whatever the graph we draw, we follow the similar procedure. So in the starting of the graphs, so let us take one more graph y is equal to x plus 1. What is the difference between these two? Here y is equal to x, but here y is equal to x plus 1. Means for y is equal to x, for y is equal to x, for x I am adding extra 1. So that is only the difference between these two. Then what could be the changes in this graph? First of all, let me draw the graph of y is equal to x plus 1. Then we will compare both the graphs. What could be the change? Here also I will draw x-axis, y-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is x-axis. Same y-axis, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Now substitute x equal to 0 in this. If x is 0, then what is y value? 0 plus 1 is 1. So if x is 0, y value is how much? 1. So point is 0 comma 1. This is 0 comma 1. Substitute x equal to 1. For x equal to 1, what is the y value? 1 plus 1 is 2. So x is 1 but y is 2. So this is 1 comma 2. Similarly, substitute x equal to 2. Then what is the y value? Y value is 3. So this is 2 comma 3. Now go for the negative value. Substitute x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 value is how much? 0. So y is equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 but y is 0. That's why the values point is minus 1 comma 0. Similarly, x equal to minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So y value is minus 1, x value is minus 2. Minus 2 and here minus 1. Minus 2 comma minus 1. So this is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Now join all these points. It will also form a straight line. Now if you see, these two lines are parallel to each other. Both the lines are parallel. Then what is the main difference between these two? The line y is equal to x is passing through the point 0 comma 0. Through 0 comma 0 it is passing. This line is even parallel to this, but it is passing through the point 0 comma 1. There is a height of 1 unit here, but there is no height here. It is passing through 0 comma 0. And on x-axis it is passing through 0, but on x-axis it is passing through minus 1 comma 0. So if I shift this line to left side by 1 unit, then definitely this graph will become like this. Means where this line has to pass through which point? Y is equal to x, no? If x equal to 0, if I make this right side one as 0, then x will become 0. So it has to pass through x 0 comma 0. If I make the right side one 0, then it becomes what? X equal to minus 1. So it has to pass through minus 1. So on x-axis, it is passing through the point minus 1 comma 0. Means I have shifted this line just 1 unit towards left. Then this line became like this. Similarly, if I ask for third one, y is equal to x minus 2. For this, what is the graph? Similar way, whatever the pattern we have followed here, do for this also. Now, I know that y is equal to x graph, but just here x is subtracted with 2, means x minus 2. So this line should be parallel to this line only, but there will be some change. What could be the change? I have to shift the line either right side or left side. That depends on the x, the right side. Y is equal to x minus 2 or x plus 1. Where x plus 1 I have shifted to left side. Here x minus 2, whether I have to shift it to left side or right side, we have to decide. What I said, through which it has to pass through. For that, we have to make this right side one is equal to 0. Then x becomes what? 2. Means this line has to pass through which point? X equal to 2. Here 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, x-axis, y-axis. So line is parallel to this line, y is equal to x, but it has to pass through which point? 2 comma 0. Why? Because when I make x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to how much? 2. So it has to pass through 2 comma 0. So line should be like this. So this is y is equal to x. Both the lines are parallel, but we have shifted the line to 2 units to right side. So why? Because x minus 2 becomes 0 at x equal to 2. The line should pass through from 2 comma 0. So I have shifted this 2 units right side. Then the line becomes y is equal to x minus 2. So this is the way to draw the lines. Next, generally maybe you have seen the line equations will be like this. X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the line equation. But I have given previous two questions y is equal to in terms of x. But here it is a combination of x and y. So what I'll do, just I'll write y is equal to, bring this x and minus 1 to right side, it becomes minus x plus 1. So we'll do the same thing. Whatever we did for last three questions, we'll do the same thing for this also. Same. X axis, y axis. Substitute x equal to 0. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 0. Substitute x equal to 0. Y will be how much? 1. So 0 comma 1. This is the 0 and this is 1. 0 comma 1. Substitute x equal to 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So this is 1 comma 0. This is the point 1 comma 0. Substitute x equal to 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So 2 comma minus 1. 2 and minus 1. So this is the common point. 2 comma minus 1. Similarly, substitute x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So x value is minus 1. Y value is 2. Minus 1 comma 2. This is minus 1 comma 2 point. So join all these 4 points. So this is the line. If you observe the previous 3 questions, the lines are 45 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction to the x-axis. Means like this. But this line is in this way, which is making negative slope with the x-axis. If I write y is equal to mx plus c as a general line equation, m represents the slope of the line, c represents the value on the y-axis. We can say intercept on y-axis. M represents the slope. For example, if m is positive, then the line should make lesser than 90 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Means from this side 0 degrees to 90 degrees. So line must be in this range only. If m is negative, then line should make angle more than 90 and less than 180. Means this way. This line is making what? More than 90 degrees and up to 180 degrees only. So if m is positive, the line should make angle of the line must be from 0 to 90 degrees. If m is negative, then angle must be from 90 to 180 degrees only. Is that clear? So this is a line which has negative slope. If I give fifth question, y is equal to minus or x plus y is equal to 0. Then I can write y is equal to minus x. We know that y is equal to minus x and y is equal to minus x plus 1 both are parallel to each other, but there should be slight change in these two. Two lines must be parallel to each other, but there should be some slight change. What should be the slight change? Means there is a shift on the line, maybe right side or left side. So how to decide that? See here, I have added some positive quantity to x value. If I added the positive quantity to x value, then definitely the line will go up by 1 unit. If I subtract one value from x, then definitely line will come down by 1 unit. So here plus 1 is there, that's why there is a gap of 1 unit. Since here plus 1 is not there, this gap won't be there. So the line should pass through the point 0, 0. So the line must be like this. This is y is equal to minus x, or you can write x plus y is equal to 0. Right? So you'll see some other graphs. Y minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is also line equation. I can write it as y is equal to 2x minus 3. Till now, x variable, x coefficient was only 1 or minus 1. But here it is more than 1 or lesser than minus 1 also we can take. So I took here x coefficient is 2. Y is equal to x minus 3. Then how to draw this graph? Same way, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, y-axis, x-axis. Now substitute x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, then what is the y value? Minus 3. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. If I substitute x equal to 0, then y value is minus 3. Means 0 comma minus 3 must be the point. 0 and minus 3. This is the point. If x equal to 1, if I substitute x equal to 1, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 1, 3 is minus 1. So point is what? 1 comma minus 1. Substitute x equal to 1 here. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So y value is minus 1, x value is 1. So that's why it is minus 1 comma minus 1. Next substitute x equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. So 2 comma 1 is the point. This is the point 2 comma 1. Even substitute x equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So point is 3 comma 3. This is the point 3. So join all these points. This is also a straight line. So whichever the line equation is given, simply we can write y is equal to in terms of x. Substitute x values, according to that you will get y values. Take those two values, x and y values, and point them on the graph. Just it is enough to have only 2 points. Why? Because if you take 4 points or 10 points, doesn't matter. Only 2 points are enough to draw a straight line. That's why just trace any 2 points and draw the straight line. Here slope of the line is what? M is equal to 2, which is positive, greater than 0. That's why this line is making angle lesser than 90 degrees but more than 0 degrees. If you see this angle is what? This is 90 degrees, no? but it is making lesser than 90 degrees. Why? Because the slope is positive. If slope is positive, it makes lesser than 90 degrees, 0 to 90 degrees. If slope is negative, then it makes more than 90 degrees but lesser than 180 degrees. So this is how to draw the equations of the line. In the next class, I will discuss how to draw the graphs of quadratic equations also. Okay.